How to change X username. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open X on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the top left corner of your screen on your profile. After you click on it, you'll find all these options. Scroll down and you'll find Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Support. After you click on it, click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. At the top, click on Your Account. After you click on Your Account, click on Account Information. Then, you'll find Username at the top. Click on Username at the top. After you click on your username, simply change your username and then press on Done at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, your name will be changed. This is how to change X username. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.